Yeah, there we
can
go.
barely see it.
Yeah, but it's fine, we're in it. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, day 3 now, we keep building. We now have a wheel on the car. We cannot turn the steering wheel because it's missing.
That's right.
Locked.
Yeah, wait, it's part of the instructions, so that's what we're doing.
I got bracket S and washer T. Hey Dan, hand me screw you.
What?
I said screw you.
That's yours, you.
Now, on the bad part. This is the new seat. And
What is that?
so that's the skin of the seat. They're currently black. They need to become red. And unlike what you're doing, this did not come with instruction manual.
Uh-oh.
So I'm gonna grab the X-Acto knife and I'm gonna start cutting stuff until it fits.
You're gonna do great, and it will be great.
Yeah, also there is a spray can of glue.
I don't even know what that's for.
I'm
but
super excited about
we'll find out, won't we?
Oh yeah. Yay. Yay!
Yeah, man. Day 3, let's do this.
Like I'm removing maybe a dozen at most. I feel like we have 120.
Well, the question is, why did they give us so many?
They expect
My
you-
assumption is it's not gonna go back together the way it came apart.
My assumption is that they expect us to fuck it up a few times.
I've got a system.
Apparently. Yeah.
Ow!
How the fuck would this work?
Shit.
That fork needs to come out. Hey, give me a second. I'm
Is
gonna
there a
do.
trick to that? Like
Let me do something smart here. I know you're not used to it. I just need 1 second. Okay, now I need 2 seconds. Maybe it's in the fridge, I don't know.
dude, I will look for shit in the fridge. And oddly enough, I've found shit in the fridge before. Why did you put that there?
What's going on?
The lift just looks extra crooked. Over here. It's normally lower over here by about a ½ inch than the rest of it, but it looks...
Ah. What do you want from me? The battery is not empty. You're saying the battery is at 49%. Okay. So what we're looking at removing is the fork that stick out right here as per this. And you ask me battery low. Okay, I'm starting. When you tell me there is 49% on the battery, then you tell me the battery is low. I need you to make a decision about your life.
Right?
Whee!
Basically, when I dropped it, when you see me drop this down, is when we'll have to tag team it.
The ring tried to get a rub off me like the Lopez, Jose, Hoseby did.
Talk about a great, a classic Mexican wrestling.
Okay, perfect. Ja, this way.
Come on!
Woo! Gesundheit.
Thank you.
Oh, come on!
Well, the challenge is the lift is only 22, it only goes up 22 inches. So I gotta figure out how to get us under there.
22 inches?
Yeah.
Wait.
And the car is already about 12 inches off the ground. Even all the way down. Oh, look at that.
Oh!
No! God!
No.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
This is where we're gonna see what I've done held. Okay, I don't see any. Oh, no, it's fine. It cracked. but it's fine. There is nothing too bad. Nothing too bad. Well, you wanted to know if what I did would stick. Well, no, we're not leaving it here.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
No, it's right here.
We're putting it on the ground or something, but we're not just. Man. Ooh, I'm gonna have to. Yeah. It's gonna need a bit of love.
Oops!
Man. And this is a good sign I did a good work on it because nothing cracked.
Absolutely. It's also a good sign that this thing didn't crack itself.
I would have fixed it, but. Yeah.
Very strong.
Okay.
Disaster averted.
You see, this is why we need camera running all the time.
I know, right? I'll be at the front. Just roll up here.
Okay.
And of course, we have to use the big gun.
Okay.
Oops. It broke. Oh, my ass is in the way.
There is something that's turning here that I'm taking care of right now.
I don't think that's it, though.
You don't think that's it?
I don't have a clue, though.
Watch your face.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, it's fine, it's going up.
Okay. All right.
In theory, there is a little bolt or something that goes in there to attach to that. Oh, give me that. That's gonna make my life easier a tiny bit. I lied. It's making everything so much harder. Every time I have to put something in a hole, it's like 10,000 times harder.
Okay.
We don't have pressure yet on the wood, but we're touching the wood.
Leave 3 inches of it exposed.
Flexibility! Something. No, okay, it's just the light. I was like, something's touching my ass, but we're fine.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.